Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the controller recognized. Plug in the Xbox pad or pair it, then verify Windows lists it. Once done, add Delta Force to Steam as a non-Steam game so you can use Steam input. Make sure Steam shows Xbox controller under controller settings and enable generic gamepad or Xbox configuration support. This gives you X input translation for the old game. Doing this now avoids extra wrappers and lets Steam handle button mapping and calibration automatically. You should now configure the layout. Launch Delta Force from Steam so Steam input is active, then open controller configuration. Choose a ready Xbox template to get most bindings quickly or create a custom map for specific keys. Bind left stick to movement, right stick or triggers to look and aim, and map primary fire to right trigger for intuitive control. Make sure to test each binding in the preview and tweak dead zones or sensitivity if turning or aiming feels off. Finish by saving the profile to Delta Force so your mappings persist every session. Set it as default. If the game still ignores controls, switch Steam's controller backend to generic gamepad or try X360C as a fallback X input wrapper. Only use X360C when Steam input refuses to work. As a quick troubleshooting tip, restart Steam, reconnect the controller, and open Windows Game Controller's diagnostics to confirm button presses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.